Alright, so this right here is the Nitro buggy. It's an Agama A215 SV. It is sick. You've seen videos on this thing before. It is fast. It's good. I haven't completely went through it, but I did mount the Works B6 Pro on there just to give my Novarossi some downtime. Here's the two-wheel drive buggy. This thing is amazing. I acquired this from my buddy Rob Meyer. I bought this. This is a Yokomo. I think it's called a something 2, whatever it is. It's a two-wheel drive buggy. It is sick. It is nice. This still has his paint on it just because he's painting me a body right now, and all of my bodies will come from Rob. But this thing is amazing. Has a front wing and everything. It is nice. So I'm looking to whoop some ass with this thing. No pun intended. I also have a four-wheel drive buggy now. This thing is sick. It is a Yokomo also. It is very nice and it's very fast. This is probably going to be my favorite. I love four-wheel drive buggy. Two-wheel drive buggy was my first love. I can't wait to run both of these. They are going to be sick. Waiting on racing to start back, but I cannot wait. It's going to be awesome. Alright, let's get a cold start on the truck. See what it sounds like. I know you guys like cold starts, so. Yeah, this thing is awesome, man. I love it. It drives so good, and it absolutely rips. Like, this thing is fast. As soon as I get to a stoplight, you know, I'll let her eat. Yep, she rips. Alright, so we are at Autohaas, about to check out what Quade's got going on with this M3 and see what he's working on, man. I was here last night, late as fuck, and it was kind of rough, but we're here. We're going to check out what he's got going on today, see what he's doing, see if he's got this thing buttoned up yet. Ooh, this is sweet. Man, this thing is rowdy. The dirt neck in me wants this thing so bad. This is total, like, this is some Carolina shit right here, I'm telling you. Good Lord. It smells like a brand new car in here. Check this out. Good Lord. So yeah, we did a diff and a subframe. Quade, what all did you do to this thing, dude?
Solid subframe bushings, solid diff bushings, monoball control arm bearings, did plates, I mean everything. So
So basically a colonoscopy on this thing. This thing is mint. Mint. E46 M3. We need to do a review on this thing soon. It is supercharged. Good Lord, good Lord. She is a little dirty, but she is clean at the same time. You are not lying. Alright, we're going full rip in this bitch. Federales did not catch us, by the way. We're about to go full send. We are about to put the pucks on, 2.5 inches. This should be pretty easy. Shouldn't be that bad. It'll be quick, so watch them. Now, bro. Oh, I know what we gotta do. Get a flathead.
You gonna take the axe out?
Yeah, it's only one bolt, and then it'll fall right over. And then it'll drop.
What size does it look like that? Huh? You have to be.
1 hour later.
Alright, this has been a lot more in depth than we thought. Looks like you got to remove the whole damn hub to get the puck on. So we're taking off the hub, and now we're gonna try that way. So.